And the energy work that I'm teaching now is actually, it can, from here, from the abdomen, it will show you how to take energy from one place in your body, send it to another place. That sounds very simple, and it is, but it's the building block for being a human being. And if you understand a computer, which, you know, I understand if you don't, right? But you've all seen the square microchip, and it's got 16 legs on each side, makes 64 legs. It's got 16 legs on each side of the microchip, right? And those legs, they go out and run your printer, run your internet, you know, more or less, run your fan, run your keyboard. It's like that. You can think of it like that. So similarly, coming out from our abdomen are many lines, and they're responsible for everything that we are. You have a similar idea with the spine. You have these various regions in the spine. This is medical. And the nerves, some nerves will affect the head, the brain, some the internal organs, some the legs. So from the abdomen, you have these control lines. And you feel it. When you relate to people, you feel, for example, a hit in a certain part of your abdomen. And with another person, part of your abdomen will pinch. Yeah? You meet someone else and your abdomen gets hot and warm. You know, you meet someone else, your abdomen expands. You meet someone else and you feel your pelvic floor drop, or you feel your diaphragm release, and you go, right? It varies per person. And it's all happening in here. And this affects the blood pressure, it affects your eyesight. And when your blood pressure changes, your eyesight changes. Yeah? It affects the pressure inside your ears, so your hearing will change. It affects your sinuses, it affects your throat. Your throat can go from being congested, or it can become congested. Yeah? It affects your sexual organs. It affects the way your feet stand on the ground. A small change in your abdomen, a small change in your pelvic floor, a small change in your hips will change how your center of gravity is aligned above your feet. And how your center of gravity is aligned above your feet changes the way you are. Like we have it in language. You're either a forward-thinking person, or you're a centered person, or you're a laid-back person. Normally you're going to fall over if you do this, by the way, anyway. A laid-back person can't be like this. This is a very hard position to be in, actually. But you see that in people's postures, right? They enter into, voluntarily, without any pressure, uncomfortable, awkward, and uncoordinated postures. Look at your own posture right now. Don't worry, I'm not checking out any of you, okay? I'm not judging, but you can just feel it. Now, when I first started teaching, I used to say to people, because people used to say to me, well, how can I be happier? And I'd say,